This is my DJI Pocket 2. I've recorded all my videos out in the field with this tiny little thing, but the battery's failing, so I bought this on eBay, or was it Amazon? I can't remember. I just looked for the battery, DJI Pocket 2, and it came with a load of tools. I've got no idea, really, what I'm doing. But apparently we need to lever the case off, so let's change glasses so I can see what I'm doing here. I'm using a screwdriver just to get in here. And I think we should move to the little plastic tabs that they've given us. It's like a plectrum, you know. Oh, here we are. Are we in? No, we're not. So Wendy for Christmas bought me the Pocket 3. So, quite looking forward to getting that in the go as well. But I didn't want to, get rid of a piece of kit just because the blooming battery doesn't work, you know. There we go. Oh, all right. So now we can use this thing. Because I was only getting about 20 minutes on this, and then I had to, in the end, what I was doing is I was going out into the field to do my recordings, and with a massive, extra battery. Right, now what do we do? Do we need some tweezers, really, to pull this off? I'll start with this little metal screwdriver. And I've got a funny feeling this just levers up. Oh, it does. And I don't understand how that works, actually, but anyway. Then the trick is, apparently, we need to take this piece of tape, and I think this has got sort of a stretch stuff on it. No. No instructions, you just got to sort of guess, haven't you? Apparently this is the wrong way. Apparently you're supposed to pull this out. But to be honest, I'm not strong enough. Okay, it's come off. Whoa! Ah, okay, oops. Okay. I've got to try and remember where that went now. I've pulled that off as well. All right, now we've got some tiny screws. I'm guessing this is not going to be magnetic. One, there's another one there. I mean, I haven't got a camera to let you see this. I mean, just, there's 3 screws, okay? Let's go and click, click. I was under the impression there were more screws on this thing. Okay, I haven't quite cracked this yet, but this heat shield thing needs to come off. And I've been fiddling around at this end here. And it's just started to move. And I was getting a bit pissed off, to be honest. I know there's some... I shouldn't be doing this, but I found a metal thing as well. Let's see if this will move it slightly. Careful not to bugger up the electronics underneath it. Sorry, it's difficult to film this. I'll probably never release this, but anyway. And the film might be called How Not to Change the Battery on a DJI Pocket 2, right? Can I see in? What's going on down there? Can't see what's holding it. I mean, I could just break this and then flatten it out afterwards, but... the bottom here, it's like it's glued. Oh, well, just snap it off, why not? That wouldn't move, look. Oh, wait a minute, is that another screw there? It is. Okay, so there's definitely 3 screws. All right, let's flatten that out. Oh, that'll be all right. Let's salvage the paste because we don't have any spare. Little heat sink there, look. We've broken something there. What is that? That is off. Oh, what is off? I think it's broken now. Definitely. Just buggered. Oh, well, we'll try. See what happens. I can't remember how this fitted now. I have to look back at the video. That went there. But we are missing this bit. I can't imagine that ever going to work again. There's a tiny thing here. Right, see if I can show it to you. There's a tiny little thing here. I can't even see what it is. But I think this fits over it. And that goes in a hole. There's a little hole right in the middle. So I'm going to try and put it in. I don't know if it went in or not. But now I can't. The springs. They shouldn't give me things like this to play with. I got all the wrong stuff. I got some really nice tweezers upstairs, actually. But, you know, like one of these things. Oh, and that's come off as well. I just can't be bothered. Right, so let's put this in a hole, if it'll go in. All right, it's in. Right, after a few false starts, I think we might be there. I've got a funny feeling this is an antenna, you know. I don't know, but I've got a funny feeling. Does this have Bluetooth or something? I don't know. Right, that's on. That's on. Spring's ready. The broken heaty thingy, splashy thing, so that's a chip. So we want to try and at least protect the chip from overheating because this thing is bloody hot. And I've thrown away. I had some CPU, you know, goop. I don't have that anymore. Anyway, whatever. And if the bloody thing blows up, it's tough shit, isn't it? Right, so we'll put this back in here. I've got a screw somewhere. There it is. Broken or not, we will get this plumbing working. It's nice for a backup camera when I'm doing my antenna videos, you know. Okay, will that just hold while I put that in there? Yes, it does. Hang on a minute. Puppy, what are you doing? No, go away. Off you go. I'm puppy sitting, as usual. Okay, so this now goes on top. And this is supposed to go, stick on there somewhere. Little place for it. There. Of course, the whole case is now a bit bigger because I've bent it up. There's the case. Oh, it's powered on. There's the power button. Oh, yeah, okay. Woohoo. It's working. Switch it off. Okay, if this works, I can't believe it. All right, so kind of hold that roughly in place while we get that on. Yeah, all right. And if we've got to use gaffer tape, then tough shit, we will. And that's how to put it back together. And it slides up that way. Oop. That way a tiny bit. It'll never be right. now. Right, so had a little slidey cover thing for this, didn't we? Okay, whoa, why is that just so loose now? Didn't used to be. Put a bit of tape on it or something. So that's the old battery. Hopefully I've installed, right? Hey, no SD card. Yeah. Can't believe it. There's me. That's how not to change the battery on a Pocket 2. Remember, there's the third screw which you can't see. I mean, this has earned its money for about 3 years now, so it's just my sort of backup one. I'm a bit worried about that. Never used to fall off. I'll find some goop or a bit of tape or something to hold that in place. In fact, I'll do that now. This is just a working camera. It's not like, you know, little family holidays or something. There we are. Perfect. I'll start that sliding around. Do we put some all the way around here as well? No, I don't think. I think that's all right now. Good. How to change a Pocket 2 battery incorrectly. No SD card. Well, we know that. All right, off you go. See you on the next one. Bye for now.